Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean your split AC filters and how important to clean these filters. Why it is important to clean these filters? First of all, you can remove the flap of your AC indoor split, and then you can wash these filters. You see how much dirt inside the filters. Long time these filters are not clean, that's why it's too much dirty, and you must need to clean these filters, because if you cannot clean these filters, maybe you lost your compressor, because it's going low pressure. The cooling coil get more cold, and because of less airflow, that's why maybe you lost your compressor sometime. And if you cannot clean these, if your AC is going low pressure, maybe it will get ice on your coil, coming ice on your coil because of low pressure. So if you clean these filters, it's save your energy. Also, your cooling will be coming quickly in the room, and after cleaning you can return back this filters at the same position. There are two filters in this split AC and all ACs, and then close your AC flaps. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Like and subscribe.